everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very exciting video, one that I have been putting off for a long time because I've been like adding little things to my apartment here and there, but this is my apartment tour. I'm so excited to show you guys my apartment. It is about finished. I'm still looking for a table for my outside patio. So besides that outdoor table, my apartment is actually finished, which is pretty crazy. I mean, of course I'll be adding things here and there, but I think it's pretty much done. So I thought I would put some makeup on and show you guys my apartment. So let's go. Okay, so as you first walk in, this is what you see. My color scheme is gray, white with accents of pink. So you'll be seeing that over and over as we go through this video. But yeah, this is what you first see when you walk in the door. This is my little side entry table. That shelf my dad actually put in the wall for me. I just have a couple decorative things here. I got this sign from my best friend Jessica. Those flowers are from Home Goods, and then this mirror is also from Home Goods, and that's just like my little entryway. So directly around the corner from my entryway is this beautiful pink, white, and gray painting that my grandmother actually painted for me herself, and she knew what my color scheme was, so she decided to paint that for me, and I absolutely love it. This is my entrance to my patio. We'll go out there a little bit later in the video. So you can see there's the TV, and then there is my TV table. I got the table from Home Goods. And then this little flower arrangement, it was my mom's idea. I got this from Hobby Lobby. She put this together for me. Basically, I'm just going to interchange the plants and the flowers in there depending on what season it is. And here is my coffee table that I got from IKEA. I really liked this coffee table because it had space underneath for those little gray and white like storage bins. I really liked that aspect. Of course, I have a candle burning. That one is the lemon one from Bath & Body Works. So here is my couch, also from IKEA. As you can see, I'm still going along with the gray and white / pink theme. I got these two signs, this gather sign and then the home sign from Hobby Lobby. I just think it makes it look super cozy. This is my dining area with floating shelves, and then this adorable cute little IKEA table that my dad and I built. My dad also put up those floating shelves. Those are from Target, so thank you, Dad, for doing that for me because those were not easy to put in. Again, gray and white. I got those chairs from Hobby Lobby, super good price. I love those chairs. I also like that it's like plated in the middle. I think that's super cute. My mom bought those for me. So here's my kitchen. My kitchen is pretty standard. It's nothing super special, but I really like what I like the little accents that I put in it. So there is my Keurig, and then I got these containers, the ones with the lids I got from the Container Store just for flour and sugar, and then the utensils one I got from Home Goods. So now let's go into my bedroom. This is by far my favorite part of my apartment. I mean, this is just my happy place. It is so beautiful, so cozy. I absolutely love every single thing in here. I love it. I'm completely obsessed with my bedroom. It's like my dream bedroom. It's so beautiful. It's everything that I wanted it to be. I'm just so blessed to have a bedroom that is this beautiful. So these are my side tables that my mom got for me. They are from Pier 1, and I liked that they were mirrored. They're super, super classy and glamorous. This is my side table with a picture of my dad and I and a little flower arrangement. This is the other one. It has a picture of me and my mom, and then also another pink flower arrangement on it, and then that little Hollywood sign is actually from my brother, so it's like a little remembrance of home decor item. So there you can see my gray and white pattern on my sheets, my pillows that I have. Those are from Home Goods, of course, and this is what my bed comforter looks like. It's very princessy. And here is my makeup vanity. I absolutely love this space. It's the perfect size, and that table I believe is from Target, and it just kind of matches the overall aesthetic of my room. There you can see my makeup brushes, and then this little sign that I got from my friend Netta, so shout out to Netta for getting me that. Thank you so much. You guys have seen these drawers before. I just have my makeup in there. And then this drawer, I have all of my eyeshadow palettes. I know. I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. It's not my proudest moment, but that's where I keep all of them, and I like that I don't have to see them right away. This is the stool. I got this from Home Goods, and it's just like fuzzy on the top. It's super cute, and my cat really likes to sit on it. And here is my dresser. My dad and I put this together from IKEA. I love this dresser. It doesn't look that big, but it's actually pretty big. This is my mom's idea, but my favorite part about this dresser are these customized drawer knobs. The ones that the original dresser came with were not that cute, so my dad and I decided to go to Lowe's and pick these up. They're actually super cute, and they match my room a lot better than the other ones did. So as you enter my bathroom area, on the left you'll see a picture of my brother and I, and this is my bathroom. I just have a couple little things. It's just pretty standard. And then I just have like this little tray for, you know, perfumes and deodorant and a candle, of course. This is my bathroom. As you can see, that little shower mat has the same design that the rest of my apartment does. I'm not sure what design that is, but if you guys know the name of that design, definitely let me know. This is my porch, and as you can see, the porch rug matches the bathroom rug, and it's the same exact design. So as you step out onto the porch, this is what you see. It is super green. Right now there are a lot of thunderstorms in Georgia, so everything is green and blooming, and I just love it. It really does feel like I have like my own secluded little balcony. It's super nice. So these are my porch chairs that my mom and I got from Walmart, and that concludes the tour. So that's it. This is my apartment. I hope that you guys like it. I really do. I love every single thing about it. It's just the perfect size. It's so quaint, and I just want to give a huge thank you to my mom and my dad for helping me move in and for buying all my stuff. And I know that it was a lot of money to help me get this apartment as cute as it is, and without your guys' help I would not be here. And I love you guys so much, and I just wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for helping me move into this apartment. And I know that it's not big and it's not luxurious, but to me it is, because it's filled with things that my family bought for me and things that I love, and I just could not be happier, and I'm so blessed. So thank you, Mom and Dad, and Harry, of course, for helping me. So it is almost fall, which means it's almost my favorite season, and I'm low-key, high-key freaking out because fall is my absolute favorite season. I love decorating for fall. So maybe I'll do an updated apartment tour. Not really a tour, but I guess just showing what kind of decorations I put up for fall. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see that, or give me a thumbs up if you would like to see that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on my next video.